what's been happening, or what has happened, you notice a lot of the schools had done away with all their shop programs.
Yes.
The schools are trying to bring them back. A couple of years ago, maybe a few years ago, what started all of this, Tiffany is the one spearheading all of this. She wanted to go to a program that the Broken Arrow Chamber of Commerce, in which we're a member of, had in Oklahoma City. So we got on a bus and we went down there, and we brought up to them that there is no training for this. We didn't realize the type of response we were going to get. And before we left, they said, "You stay here, we want to talk with you." And there were 3 or 4 of these, school board members, congressmen, women, men. They got involved and said, "We've been waiting for somebody to bring this up, but nobody has. Nobody wants to take charge of this." And that's how it got started.
So we have started with Broken Arrow Public Schools. We have an on-the-job training program that was just signed. We have 2 students that will be starting next week. We're really excited. We're really looking forward to it.
So they're high school students?
These are high school students.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, so they've done it with the tech colleges for a while, but we're going to start with high school students. That way they can come in and go to the tech school if they want to, but they will have some hands-on experience. So when they go into that book curriculum, they understand why they're learning what they're learning. And that only helps us. Now they're getting education and hands-on, and they're a better technician for it.
We've contacted a guest speaker, and he is going to be putting several programs on for the schools, the technical schools, as well as your high schools and the dealerships, to bring out the students from the schools from the 8th grade on up. And the program that we're putting on isn't just going to be for the students. It's going to be for the teachers, the parents, other technicians, just everybody, to inform everybody, hey, we're lacking in here. Who's going to fix your car when you're telling all your children, you can't go into this business? You're going to go ahead and become a doctor, an attorney, but you can't be a plumber, you can't be an electrician. Who's going to keep your lights on? Who's going to keep your water on? Who's going to keep your cars on the road if they aren't there?
The students will come in, they will actually shadow, spend 100% of their time here, which is only about 3 to 4 hours. They're going to get college or student credit for it, whether it's at their college or the high school. But so we're talking about the high school students. They'll be here for about 4 hours. They can work from the time they come over to the time that we close, and they will just, for however long it takes, shadow one of our technicians. They will learn everything from servicing the transmission, and if they're interested, into building it.
We are going to stay in the transmission business. We aren't going to go into the automotive business. We're going to do what we're best at. We're going to get better at it. We're not going to follow a lot of the other companies and go into automotive repair just so that we can keep our bean counters happy.
Yeah.
They're beholden to these people on their board. Our board members are our customers. They're not the people on a board. So I will never do that. And so that's where we're bringing it forward.